In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Todoist with Claude so you can bring your tasks, projects, and productivity workflow directly into your AI assistant. This is a super useful setup if you want Claude to help you stay organized, manage to-dos, and work faster without jumping between apps all day. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open a chat window in the Claude Web App or in your Claude Desktop application. You can use either version for this process, so just choose the one you normally work with. Once you're inside Claude, look at the lower left corner of the chat input box and click the plus icon. This is the Search and Tools button, and it's where Claude keeps its connector options. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see a menu appear. From that menu, select Connectors, then click Manage Connectors. This takes you to the area where you can connect third-party apps and services to Claude. Now you'll want to look through the directory for Todoist. You can usually find it by scrolling or searching depending on how the interface is laid out. When you see Todoist, click Connect. At this point, a login window will appear and prompt you to sign into your Todoist account. This is the authorization step, and it's what allows Claude to access your Todoist tasks. Carefully review the prompt, then click Allow or Authorize to grant Claude permission to manage your tasks. This connection is what lets Claude work with your Todoist account, so make sure you're signing into the correct account before continuing. Once you've approved access, go back to your Claude chat window. Here's an important step that a lot of people skip. Make sure Todoist is toggled on under the conversation's active connectors. If it's not enabled in the active chat, Claude won't be able to use it in that conversation, even though the account is connected. So double check that Todoist is switched on before you start asking Claude to interact with your tasks. And that's it. Todoist is now connected with Claude. From here, you can start using Claude to help organize your workflow more efficiently and keep your task management in one smarter place. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.